In today's video, we're gonna be talking about how to be productive in this crazy pandemic. So if you wanna get a head start on your fall semester, your virtual commute, or maybe your resolutions for 2021 because this year has basically gone to shit, this video is for you. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Dito and I make videos on social media growth, productivity, and lifestyle. Hit that subscribe button to make your dreams follow you. Before we start, here is this week's Goya Go-Getter. If you want to be featured in my next video, make sure to leave a comment below or give me a shout out on Instagram. Also, make sure to join my Facebook group, the Goya Go-Getters, where you're going to get exclusive access to my videos beforehand, daily tips, and inspiration. Come join us. It happened. The back to school section in Walmart is back open. And that means one thing, goodbye summer 2020, hello Zoom call links. I am a Taurus. I hate change. When someone changes plans at the last minute when I had everything ready to go, I will hate you for eternity. I am internally screaming, hate you, want to stab you. But you know what? It's okay, I forgive you in the end. But overall, I hate change. But then on the other hand, I love change. I love growing. It's so hypocritical of me. And I need variety in my life. So if everything's gonna be the same every day, I'm gonna go insane. And this is how I'm gonna stay productive and how you're gonna stay productive in the fall. Just a disclosure, make sure that you're taking a break sometimes and that it's okay to not be productive every day. You can have your off day. In these unprecedented times, it's not a productivity contest. Cut your to-do list in half. We need to just be realistic with ourselves and be honest with yourself that you're just not gonna get as much done as you think you will. If you have too much, you're not gonna get it done. That's why automatically today, I am pushing several tasks to tomorrow because A, How to Get Away with Murder was just added to Netflix the last season. B, someone calls me every 5 minutes whether to let the dog out or how to use Instagram Reels or something else that's not important. And C, I need to find the right playlist to work. So already we've just lost 3 hours. However you manage your life, I don't know your life, you do you, however you manage it, just make sure that you're doing the tasks that actually need to get done. I know they're annoying, but they have to get done. So make sure that whatever tasks that need progress or whatever is due tomorrow or whatever needs to get done, gets done first. The other stuff can wait, you can push it to tomorrow. Just like my How to Get Away with Murder, I gotta push it to tomorrow, but it's most likely that I'm gonna watch it today. So I gotta push some other stuff to tomorrow. When you have a million things to do on your list, all that's gonna do is just raise your anxiety and you're not gonna know how to fathom to do this. You're not gonna know how to time budget and your productivity goes out the window. Bonus tip, Best Mattress Today did a survey in 2019 and they found out of the 1,500 people they surveyed, 74% felt more productive and more accomplished at the end of the day because they did their bed in the morning. So consider doing your bed because if it was a crappy day and nothing went right, at least you did your bed and you feel just a little bit of accomplishment. Use your morning to focus on yourself. Now, I always tell my best friend, sometimes I only wake up because I'm looking forward to breakfast. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. However, when you wake up a little bit earlier in the morning to focus on yourself or do something that you're passionate about, it actually motivates you to get up earlier and have a good day because you're looking forward to that activity that you enjoy doing or your passion, your hobby, your side hustle, whatever. But when you wake up early and you do something that you're passionate about, you feel like, okay, well, I've basically accomplished the morning, I'm gonna accomplish the afternoon, I'm gonna accomplish the evening. On Mondays, I know that it's time to wake up early and it's filming day, which is what I do here, and it's something that I am good at, it's something that I do best, and I know to look forward to Monday mornings to get up because I'm like, yes, I'm excited, we're gonna film, we're gonna get some videos done. So find something that you love, wake up a little earlier to do it, and I'm telling you, it will increase your productivity. Don't confuse being busy with being productive. I see a lot of people on Twitter who are making nice calligraphy, aesthetic notes, and they're failing biology. And it's like, you're focusing on the wrong cohesion. Just because you're doing something that's taking a lot of time out of your day and it's not necessarily something that's considered a lazy activity, like let's say you're checking your emails and responding all day, or you're creating content, or you're making sure you have the perfect Instagram aesthetic feed, I'm here to break your bubble and tell you that that's not gonna get you the money that you want, the grades that you want, the sales that you want, the goals that you want, because you're spending time instead of making connections or actually absorbing the information you're learning in school to do minuscule things that are only really just add-ons to what you do mainly. So you just need to be consciously aware of what you're doing, and don't worry, this is coming from the person that goes on Pinterest to save school hacks the night before a test or something and then they actually never use it. Multitasking is your new best friend. Now, there are a lot of people that say that you cannot focus on multiple goals at the same time, and there's even some claims that it brings down your IQ by 10 points. But I don't care, because if you want to achieve multiple goals, you can't just sit around and wait to do one at a time. You're never going to make progress like that. For example, if you are opening up a bakery and you want to increase your water intake, and let's say you are working on opening the bakery, and let's say you get to a 5K a month, and you're like, okay, when I get to 10K a month, I'll start drinking more water. Or then you're going to be like, okay, when I get to 20K a month, I'm going to start drinking more water. And when I get to 100K, and you're just going to be busy with the bakery, that you're never going to focus on your water intake. When really you could just stop for a second, drink some water, and drink water while you're thinking about the bakery, okay? You need to do multiple things at the same time, because you need to make some sort of progress. And the easiest way to do this is to really just break things down into small steps that you can take. Just make sure that you're not like overworking yourself, because that can be very dangerous, and you need to get sleep and you don't want to be burnt out. Stop your procrastination with the 2-minute rule. If you can do something in less than 2 minutes, do it in the moment. Don't push it off. Don't forget about it. Don't do it in the middle of you doing something else because you forgot about it. No point in doing that. It ruins your productivity. Take it from me, please. I am a horrible texter. You can ask any of my family or friends. I'm a horrible person because I will read a text and then I'll say, okay, I'll respond to them later, whatever, in the day. And then I don't respond to them. And then they end up waiting 3 days to get a response from me. And that is rude and unprofessional. I'm a horrible person. So please, if someone texts you, someone emails you, if it's important, then answer the text, answer the email, respond to the email, go clean something, whatever. If it's a task, you can get it done under 2 minutes, do it. Get a head start. Everyone knows before you start something or a test the night before or whatever, the best way to prepare is to prepare beforehand or to research and do your due diligence. Now, whenever you are about to do something, or even just a regular day, take 10 minutes or even 5, even 2 minutes to be honest, to just look over what needs to get done the next day, what is the priority, what do I need to bring, what resources do I need, maybe pack it the night before, you know, so this way everything is just a smooth ride, okay? You don't want to just have surprises at the last minute and then you start to panic. Just look over things beforehand, get it done. As my high school teachers always say, and I hate them all, but they were right about this, is make sure that you print at least 24 hours in advance, or at least the night before. This way, if your printer stops working, or you run out of ink, you run out of paper, you're not surprised, you're not shocked, you're good, you're safe. No one wants to be in the classroom with the person that's always like, oh, can I go print this? The date's due. No, we're all rolling our eyes at that person. Don't be that person. Record your day. If you find yourself falling behind in everything, or maybe the day's flying by and you're literally getting nothing done and you don't understand why because you're doing everything right and nothing's working out, I have been there. What you need to do is to record your day. And you can do this by the hour or the half hour to just see what activities you're doing and maybe what you're spending unnecessary time on, or how you can allocate your time better. Maybe one task needs less time, whereas this task really needs more time, more attention. So by doing that, you can kind of analyze what you're doing the day. Okay, like let's say for example, for me, I used to spend a lot of time in January, February watching Wendy Williams, The Real, all the gossip that I need, because I'm all about that life, all about the drama. I don't love the drama, but it loves me. And I was obviously going down the rabbit hole of YouTube and wasting time when I really could be doing something more productive. So I had to kind of curb that by really just cutting it down by literally just checking Twitter quickly for news, and then as well checking Instagram accounts like The Latest Issue or The Shade Room or TMZ. Yes, I'm guilty of creeping all those. This way I'm actually allocating my time from like maybe 2 hours to like 5-10 minutes a couple times a day, which is still kind of unnecessary to look at gossip and involve myself in unnecessary drama, but however, it's a little bit less time where I can be more productive. And that pretty much wraps up my tips for how to be productive in this crazy ass pandemic. I'm really getting sick of saying that word. However, stay safe, use your mask, social distance, have an amazing day, be productive. I hope you found some value out of this, and I'll see you in next week's video where I'm going to be showing you guys how to repurpose Instagram content with ease, because Lord knows we all need that. Have an amazing day, and Goya.